Hey guys, so I am so excited to be filming this December subscription box unboxing from Cloth and Paper. I just got it in the mail a couple of hours ago. So yes, I'm so excited to open it up. So I did pre-open some of the items in here just because I thought it would be easier and faster to show you guys the inserts on camera. So the first thing that is in here is this note card that basically has everything that's listed in the box. So we have this clear A5 ring binder, gray side tabs, journaling inserts 2021, year overview inserts, executive notes, graph inserts, Veni Vidi Vici dashboard, Velour Sip Pouvoir dashboard, Avant-Garde square page flags, Avant-Garde transparent page flags, and then looks like 3 journaling cards. So looks like a really good amount of stuff this month. So of course it comes with this beautiful tissue paper, as always. And the first thing that I see in here is this basically card. It says, you are on a journey with no defined beginning, middle, or end. There are no wrong twists or turns. There is just being, and your job is to be as you can be. Oh, I love that. So awesome and motivational, inspirational. And the next item that I see here is the clear A5 ring binder. So it looks like this. It has really beautiful black rings, and it has this really cute elastic, I guess elastic, I don't know what else you would call it, thing that would, go around there. So I think it's really pretty, really good quality, really thick. If you are thinking about using an A5 size planner, I think this would be a great trial to see if you like the size and everything like that. I personally don't use A5, and I'm pretty sure all the inserts and dividers in this box are A5 to fit in this planner. So you can definitely use this as like an additional planner, or maybe if you just want to experiment with an A5 planner, you can use this as well. So again, really nice thick plastic, really durable, really good quality, and I'm excited to have this in this box this month. So the next thing that I see here are these journaling inserts. It says monthly mood tracking, journal entries, and affirmations. So again, I opened this up just because I thought it'd be faster and easier than opening it up on camera. The first sheet looks like this. You have a gratitude, self-reflection, self-love, mental health, inner peace. And then it looks like you got like a mood tracker, affirmations, inspirations, and it looks like a bunch of sections, one for each week. So that's really, really cute, and looks like it just repeats. So I personally I've never used like a mood tracker, but I think it's really like an awesome idea and a really cute addition, and I'm glad that this was included in this month's box, because again, I've never used them before, so I think it'd be cool to try them out. The next thing in here are the executive notes graph inserts. So these are really versatile. You can use these for a lot of different things, and I love that it has like a section on top where you can put the exact date and the subject as well. So again, you get like a really good amount in here. It's extremely versatile. I think it's a great addition, and you can use this for like literally any purpose. So I love that this was included in here. The next item that I see in here, it looks like it's the 2021 year overview inserts. So the first page looks like this. Looks like monthly goal planning, quarter section notes. So really pretty dashboard. And this is what So I guess you get one for each month. Yeah, so these are, I guess, your goals for the first quarter, and then you have a section for each month. And I love the top 3, and just you got so much space for so many different things that you can plan. You got the second quarter and so on and so forth. So yeah, so these are also an awesome addition for, you know, goal planning or really anything that you, oh, and then there's like an aspiration section as well. So like really anything that you may want to work on or, you know, track or just be inspired to do. So these are the 2021 year overview. So that's awesome. So I love that. And then the next the next item in this box are, it looks like it's the gray side tabs. Looks like it's three tabs. So perfect for the planner that's included in here. I probably should have opened this up just to kind of see what kind of, yeah, so looks like this is like a really nice quality durable plasticky material. You get 3 tabs. Yeah, so really nice, really pretty. I love this. Again, this is perfect if you just want to like experiment with like an A5 size, or just have the specific planner for like goal setting and goal tracking for the year. I think this will be amazing and awesome. The next item that I see in here, it looks like we got 2 dashboards, and then the page flags, and then the journaling cards. Okay, so this one says, vouloir c'est pouvoir, to want is to be able to. So this is really cute. I love the matching theme of, you know, the grays and the neutrals, and I think this is so pretty. So again, I should have probably opened this up as well, just because I'm holding the camera. Yeah, so this is a really nice, thick cardstock material. Really nice thick cardstock material. I don't know if you can see just how thick that is, but very pretty, very neutral. Love it. Love the aesthetic of it. Love the color. It's just beautiful. And like, even you can see like when you add that on top of the dividers, I think that's just so cute. And the last insert, well, not insert, I guess, dashboard, we got, oh, I should have just opened everything off camera. Okay, so this is a really nice, pretty cardstock material. Yeah, really nice and thick and sturdy, really pretty, and I love the message of this. So beautiful and inspirational, and definitely useful in the planner. And then it looks like here we got the 3 types of journaling cards. You got the progress, not perfection, the matte card, and the clear card for February. Okay, so yeah, here's the progress, not perfection. I love that. Then you got this matte card for February, and then you have this clear journaling card for February as well. So pretty. Love the aesthetic. Love the quality of these. And the last items in here are the Avant-Garde square page flags. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's just like a dent or something. But really great, really versatile. Love these. You can use these in so many different ways. You can use them as like dividers, or like divider tabs, page flags, like in a monthly overview, weekly overview, like so many different things. So I love these. And also we got the matching Avant-Garde page flags. So yeah, this is all that is included in this month's box. $38. And I think it's a great value. So again, let's just recap what we got in this month's box. We got the two kinds of Avant-Garde page flags, the square flags and the page flags. We got 3 types of journaling cards. So I love those. We got this beautiful dashboard. We got this beautiful, how do we put this like more neat? We got this beautiful dashboard as well. We got these amazing dividers. We got this yearly 2021 yearly overview monthly goal planning section inserts. We got these executive notes. Is this called graph paper? I guess, yeah, graph inserts. And then we got some journaling inserts for mood tracking, journal entries, and affirmations. So I love that. And of course, cannot forget the planner itself. The little message thingy that it comes with, and of course the card itself. So yeah, again, amazing value. Everyone gets the same box. So yeah, so this is an awesome value, an awesome, great box. I think I heard on Instagram that starting from, I want to say January's box, make sure you have like your desired size updated, because I think the inserts are going to be based on whatever size you're selecting, if that makes sense. Because I think November's box was based on a basically insert size that they selected, and this one was what they selected as well, which is A5. So I think going forward they're going to start sending us inserts depending on whatever size we choose as well. So I just wanted to put that in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, let me know what was your favorite item in this box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.